everybody.
Ask them with their fans.
What?
Why don't you ask?
Who's a fan of Arctic Monkeys? Alright, you'll like this next one then, hopefully. Fingers crossed.
Tracy Islands, I'm traveling down in Courtesy Parks. I come to find you, pouring some other morning. It's too late, she's a silver lining, only to riding through an open space. In my mind, she's not like that, but I think I go crazy. This is and I wanna be. It's like just passion, feels like a distant melody. And I can't help myself all night. Entire lifetimes once there were not somewhere misspent. Hey, then for days, great escape, lost track of time and space. There's a silver lining, climbing on my desire, and I go crazy. These years where I want to be. It's like this passion, feels like a distant memory, and I can't help myself all night. What is it in my and Lone Ranger riding through an open space. In my mind when she's not right there beside me, I go crazy. Cause here's where I wanna be. It's not distraction, feels like a distant memory, and I can't help myself alright. Oh, it feels like a lie. Are you mine?
Oh my goodness, thank you so much, everybody. Hopefully we did that one justice.